Ta-da! So, welcome back to Chim sneaker, and today I will bring you one model of New Balance that you rarely see, but I think it's also very cool. This is the 5740 New Balance, and I have the size 37 in Europe or size 6.5 in the US. This is one of the colorway for women. Okay, so let's have a closer look to this shoe to see what is the design of it. So here is our New Balance 5740. Let's look at the upper. So the N logo here is hiding into other part made by suede. In the upper, there are also mesh parts at the toe box and at the collar and other part. And in this type of model, every part are in the same color, which makes the shoes are easy for mix match with all of your type of clothes. And I think this colorway is one of the easiest colorway to go with any type of clothes too. And the outsole of it is kind of interesting. It has a very distinctive pattern, which you can see it's like a U shape here with some holes at the middle, and there is a New Balance logo here. The midsole of the shoe have a wavy form, and I think this shoe actually is also not really high compared to the regular New Balance 574, but because there are some part of the midsole which make the shoe feel higher in the feeling. And the back of the heel there are also layers which make the shoe look like it has a lot of detail. And I think this model is really good to use and very easy to use too, as it has a very dark tone color of the outsole, so it is very easy to clean. And yeah, okay, so let's have a look at the other shoe in the pair. Okay, and that's it for today. See you in another episode of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content in the future.